Welcome to this video on SQL, where we will explore the concepts of union and union all. These are powerful tools in SQL that allow you to combine the results of multiple select queries into a single result set. Let's dive in to understand how we can efficiently merge query results. Let's understand what union is in SQL. Union is an operator that combines the result sets of two or more select statements into a single result set. It is important to note that union eliminates duplicate rows from the final result. The number of columns in each select statement must be the same, and the corresponding columns should have compatible data types. Here is an example. We are selecting product ID and product name from the electronics table where the price is greater than 500. Then we use union to combine these results with the product ID and product name from the appliances table where the rating is greater than 4.5. Now let's discuss union all. Union all also combines the result sets of two or more select statements into a single result set, but unlike union, it includes all duplicate rows. This makes union all faster than union, since it does not perform any deduplication. Just like union all requires that the number of columns be the same and the data types be compatible. The image in the slide shows that Table A has ID 1 named Alice and ID 2 named Bob. Table B has ID 2 named Bob and ID 3 named Carol. After applying union all, the result contains all rows from both tables, including the duplicate row for ID 2, name Bob. Let's explore the key differences between union and union all. Union removes duplicate rows and performs a distinct operation, resulting in a higher processing overhead. It provides a smaller result set if duplicates exist, and is best used when duplicate data is expected and unwanted. On the other hand, union all keeps all rows, including duplicates, and performs simple row concatenation, leading to lower processing overhead. It provides a larger result set if duplicates exist, and is best used when all rows are needed or no duplicates exist. Union is slower because of deduplication, while union all is faster since it does not perform deduplication. Let's walk through a practical example of union. This SQL code combines products from the electronics and appliances categories. It selects the product ID, product name, and price from the products table where the category is electronics, and then uses union to combine these results with the product ID, product name, and price from the products table where the category is appliances. The resulting table contains a distinct list of products from both categories, with no duplicate rows. As you can see, there are 6 rows in the result set and no duplicate rows. Let's illustrate the use of union all with an example. This SQL code combines sales data for a customer with the ID 1001 from the years 2023 and 2022. It selects the product ID, product name, and sale date from the sales_2023 table and combines these results with the product ID, product name, and sale date from the sales_2022 table using union all. The resulting table includes all sales records for that customer, including any duplicate entries. Notice that the result set maintains all the rows, even the duplicate entry for Laptop Pro. This is because union all does not remove duplicates. Let's explore how to use order by with union. When using union or union all, you can sort the combined result set using order by, but it must be placed at the end of the entire query. The order by clause must appear only once at the end and can reference columns by name or position. This affects the final combined result set. Column names from the first select statement are used. The SQL code combines products from the electronics and appliances categories and sorts the result by price in descending order. The resulting table is ordered by price from highest to lowest. For example, Laptop Pro with a price of $1299.99 is at the top. Let's cover some best practices and common pitfalls when working with union and union all. It is best to use Union All when duplicates are expected and needed. Make sure that the column data types are compatible across queries, and give columns consistent aliases across all queries. Also, apply filtering using the where clause before union to reduce the dataset size. Some common pitfalls include mismatched column counts between queries, incompatible data types between corresponding columns, using order by within individual queries instead of at the end, and forgetting that column names from the first query are used. When encountering errors such as column count mismatch, ensure the same number of columns in all queries. For type conversion issues, use the cast function to make types compatible. Move the order by clause to the end of the query if it is causing an error, and use consistent column names or aliases to resolve column not found errors. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.